everyone, it's Rachel at Autoline Toyota, and today I'm going to be talking about what to do if your memory seats stop working. Sometimes the seats just need to be recalibrated and moved into the positions and then reset. It's very easy to do. To reset the memory seats, you have to push it forward all the way, as far as it can go, and then you need to go up all the way as far as it can go, and then you need to incline a little bit and then decline the seat as far as it can go. The reason for this is the car needs to map the total parameters of the seats and how far they can go. Once you have repositioned the seats, hit set and then L1, and then you'll hear the beep, and now you can reset and save your seat position.